Hey, welcome back to my channel. So previously I've done a video about Bricks Builder. Today I'm going to go over a little bit of a Breakdance page builder, and I'm going to show you a little bit more of what you can add into Bricks Builder because there's not necessarily that many sort of templates already done inside the builder itself. And then I'm also going to go over Cubio Builder as well, which is another great option. So if you want to try out Breakdance for free, you can sign up and they'll email you a link. Otherwise, if you go to Breakdance and you log in, so you can either click down here and click customer login, and then on the downloads tab, you can download Breakdance and then you just install it like a plugin, and you can either choose to have it as your theme or add on to your theme that you've already got. What I've noticed with Breakdance is there are so many different templates that you can use. The pricing for Breakdance starts at free, but when you install it, it does say the library is going to become only available to the pro users, so I don't know when that's going to happen. But otherwise, it's a yearly plan starting at basically $100. With Bricks Builder, it's quite different. It's $100 for a lifetime license, so a lot more affordable. But like I said, there's definitely a lot more pre-done, very beautiful templates already in Breakdance. So this is another add-on. So if you really like Bricks Builder and you like the pricing, then there's a lot of places that you can go to, but this is just one of the places. So this is Bricks Maven, and they have a lot of templates that you can pre-use, like pre-done rather, that you can install and use. So all of these down here, and this is quite affordable. It's not too bad. So this is about $120 if my memory's right for the custom CSS, and then there's automatic CSS and core framework, and they're a little bit extra. So this is what Breakdance looks like. It is incredibly easy to use, to be honest. Like, you can change the sizing of these, move it around. Say I want to add an extra button down here. I can just drag it and put it there. Also, in my other video, I talked about a mega menu. So this is now editing the header, and I think it's very easy to use. So if I just put in here of adding a new element, so I can just say add in a drop down here, and then it's already really nicely styled and everything. We've got our different columns. Obviously, you could remove a column, add a column. You can also add, say, an image in the drop down. So if we search menu again, and then we say custom drop down, then we can add an image in it with a heading. So, I mean, it's incredibly easy to use. It's already got a little carrot system there. I mean, it looks really nice. We can just save that and go back to the main page. It's pretty fast at loading, to be honest, and there are a lot of options for adding, say, a section or, yeah, I'll show you. So on here, like they say, it's going to be only available to pro users at some point, but I don't know when. But there's a lot of stuff here. And there's also, if you click on here, there's different types of styling. So this is, say, for fitness. And then you can just add particular elements if you want. Go back to, there's fancy sections as well, which are very cool. I mean, it's just, if you're not a coder, then, I mean, this stuff's like already done for you to be able to edit. I mean, pretty cool looking. Whereas if we go back to Bricks Builder, so this is the standard drop down that's been added from Bricks. And if I go to the templates, community templates, it's, you can sort of get a section, like choose a different header or a particular section. But as you can see, it's like a lot more limited. So, but then obviously the pricing is a lot cheaper. I don't find this any harder or easier than Breakdance. I actually find them pretty the same. So from somebody who doesn't do any coding, the one thing is it is a lot more complicated here. So when I say easy to edit, I mean easy to edit on the screen. So if I want to add a bit more padding here, I just do this. But on here, it's very, very different. So as you can see, there's a lot more options. and you can do a lot without having to do coding per se. But I definitely found styling it takes a lot longer. Breakdance switches over here. It's just a lot clearer. If I click on an element, then it's got a lot more basic, but at the same time, you can do advanced coding if you really want to. The next builder that I'm going to go over is called Cubio. So I discovered this after using Kadence, which I actually really liked, but the header on Kadence is actually in a different area. You're not seeing the whole page like all of these, like Bricks Builder, Breakdance. You can see the whole page, which I mean is you can see how the header looks compared to the rest of the content. So Cubio is different. It's the same. It's not like Kadence where you have to go out, change the header, and then come back in to edit the contents. Cubio is one screen, and the pricing is very good. So this is the yearly plans at present, and then you also have a lifetime plan. For $170, this is going to be US, you can have that for a lifetime for one of your websites. So Bricks obviously is very affordable to begin with, but then if you add on the extra templates of, say, Bricks Maven, it's going to start to be about $250. This is Cubio on my website at present, and it's very easy. I can't do a mega menu on here. I'd have to install a plugin. That is something definitely to be aware of if you're looking at doing a mega menu. I find Cubio very easy to edit. So I found Kadence pretty easy to edit. Personally, I prefer Cubio, but I haven't used it extensively. I've only used it for my own website. Bricks, I did like it, but I just found it very slow to try and edit something because there's so many options. And definitely I'll show you like the different options for hover. So in Cubio, we've got it like literally here. I don't have to put the setting of choose the hover state to then be able to edit it. So I can just choose them here and change my styling. Very, very easy. Breakdance is very easy as well. Like very, very easy. When I've been styling a few different websites, I kind of realized that sometimes there would be some issues on mobile. So I had that with Kadence, but then I just go and edit it on mobile. And I've also had that with Cubio. I have found what might be a bug. So I'm going to contact them and see if I can sort that out. I still think it's a really good editor, and this is all the free version. There's obviously the pro version, but it's so easy to move around. I mean, this is me like literally editing my page. Very, very easy to use. I hope you found this useful. If you found it useful, please give it a like and subscribe, as it will really help out my channel.